Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve Scotiabank error code ems006. So let's dive right in. Here we will discuss about the error ems006. So what causes of Scotiabank ems006? Let's discuss about the causes. But first, we have to know why does Scotiabank error ems006 occur. The exact cause of Scotiabank error ems006 can vary, but it's often linked to security measures or account settings. User receives the following message like, "Sorry, we could not complete your request. Please try again later." And in the bracket, you will see the error code ems006. Some common triggers include here. First, security protocols. Scotiabank, like many financial institutions, has robust security measures in place. These protocols can sometimes flag unusual activity such as transactions from a foreign location or through an unrecognized device, leading to error ems006. Then, account limitations. Customers might encounter this error if they are attempting transactions that exceed certain limits set by the bank or their own account settings. Third, technical glitches. Occasionally, technical issues within Scotiabank's system or with Interact service can result in this error. Here is probable causes of Scotiabank error ems006. Now, head to how to fix the Scotiabank error code ems006. To resolve error code ems006 in Scotiabank, consider the following steps. First, contact Scotiabank. The first and most straightforward step is to contact Scotiabank directly. Their customer service can provide specific guidance and may be able to immediately resolve the issue. Second, check account limits. Review your account settings to ensure you are not exceeding any transaction limits. Adjust these limits if necessary. Third, secure transaction environment. Ensure you are conducting transactions from a secure and recognized device. Avoid using public Wi-Fi or VPNs that might flag your activity as suspicious. 4. Wait and retry. Sometimes simply wait and retry the transactions after a short period can resolve the issue, especially if it's related to a temporary glitch in the system. Here is the simple 4 steps to resolve this error code, just like this, the ems006 error code of Scotiabank. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any question yet, then feel free to drop the question in the comments below. We will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next time.